We just got off the bus. There was this crazy man on the bus that stole a scrunchie off the floor and he asked for a free ride for the bus driver.
Here's some ASMR. Hey guys!
Hello! We're in Auckland. We arrived yesterday. We're staying at this really nice hostel. Maya calls it a hotel, it's not. But it's really nice. And today we're going shopping. We're going to Dress Smart right now. Catching the bus, Popo. Then we're going to Tana International Disaster Tour. The Auckland drivers are so angry, Mum. They're so angry. We thought we missed the bus, but we didn't. We're on it. It's a double-decker bus. We're at the top. We just got here. We just got off the bus, but Dress Smart is closed, so we're at Chicken Place. What is it called? Chicken. So we're getting some food. But we have like 40 minutes, so we're going to like loiter here for ages. But the bus was really fun. What? It's backwards. We just got our food and this is what it looks like. What's in the box?
Chicken fingers.
Gorgeous. We're gonna do a Trisha Paytas inspired eating show for you guys.
Wait, this should be our thumbnail.
It's like KFC, but it's like not.
It tastes like Joe's Garage. Have you had these chips in?
I picked up the Easy. Oh my god, but the gravy.
Oh my god, we have to come
The
back
gravy
for
is
this.
so good. Popcorn chicken.
This gravy is so good.
Pepsi Max for balance.
Oh, just dropped it in my gravy. But it makes me so good.
It's just our mukbang channel. We could be like the bald girl on TikTok. Have you seen her fruit?
And doesn't she do them up close as well? Yeah. Glass AI.
Oh my god, yeah. The one you sent me. Have you watched the glass braiding?
Yeah. On the bottom here.
I love it.
Nice. It's very cheap. I feel like I don't need to promote them so they don't get any customers. I'll come here every day if I lived here.
I bet you will. Oh. It's dropped.
I'm dropping all my chips.
This is a Tinder.
It's
What's
really
your
good.
favourite Trisha Paytas video? What? Like type video?
Her drive-through mukbang.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like 8 to them.
Same. Let's do
My
I have
favourite.
my dinner.
Yeah. My favourite one was when she's in like a black wig and she goes through KFC. Have you seen that one?
I've been watching so many mukbangs of, you know, it was like a giant piece of chopped potato, she dips it in milk. I think I sent you.
That is disgusting.
No. Oh, that looked amazing.
We have to rate our meals.
Oh yeah,
We
this
didn't
one.
rate sushi train.
We went to Sushi Train yesterday. What would you rate it?
Maybe like a 7.
Yeah, I think like a 5.
A 5. Did you not really like it?
It was fine. They were too small. Like it felt like a.
Yeah. What do you rate them?
Oh, this is like a 9.
Yeah, I think this is like my favourite meal that I've had actually. And
Really
sugar
good. I
deal.
still really want to go to that fried chicken place.
Okay.
Okay, bye. I'm so full right now. Look. I'm so full. This is the bathroom. This is my grape that Maya won me. Isn't it adorable? Maya's in the bathroom. Okay, we're in Dress Smart right now. Let's see. Maya is buying me the funniest shoes right now. Looking for them. I just bought some Converses. They're really nice. They're like kind of cream white and they have like this flower embroidered on the side. Oh. I don't know. We're in Calvin Klein. Remember ours? They're really nice hoodies. My blood sugar's low, so I'm just having a little chocolate break. But May is in Calvin Klein over there. And I bought this hoodie. Wait, I'll show you. This is my hoodie. Isn't it really cute? Put me $100 over the budget for today. Did you get anything?
No.
Oh. We just left Dressmart. We're waiting at the bus stop. We're going back to, where are we going? Daiso. We're going to Daiso. I'm getting little trinkets. But hopefully it's a good one.
And then we're going to the arcade.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're going to the arcade. Matcha? Yeah. This is news. But our bus is like 10 minutes away. It's raining. It's literally not going to stop raining our whole trip. No, that's 6. We're catching the 30.
I would literally get lost if rain wasn't here.
We're on the bus. We have to sit on the bus for 40 minutes and then we'll be at Daiso.
We're going to vlog on Daiso and then we're going to the arcade.
Yeah. We just got off the bus. There was this crazy man on the bus that stole a scrunchie off the floor and he asked for a free ride for the bus driver. We're at Daiso. We're in Mecca right now. I love it in here because I just get to smell everything. Not good. I've never bought anything from Mecca. Oh, that one smells good. I'm doing a review of one. Nope. That one smells bad. That one smells really good. I'll fix some of these. Oh, that one's kind of good. They smell good.
You actually missed them all up. Oh, people put in their armpit.
What? Maya just dropped the owl plate she got for Nana. Really hard. Wait, lift up the other one. Right there. Anyways, we're back in K-Cell. K-Cell? Our favourite arcade. We just spent $25 and won one tiny little cookie. Yeah. We're in Krispy Kreme right now.
There's people right now, but
We got coffee. Mine's an ice cream coffee. And we got a donut, but I already ate mine. But mine's being skinny.
that's different stories. Here's some ASMR.
Wow, that's really good.
CLICKBAIT ASMR.
Your nails make it so much better.
Okay. They're a bit dry now. This is some cup ASMR.
Yeah, I don't think the nails. You know how I look like? You know in Stranger Things, when Steve works at the ice cream shop?
Oh, yeah.
He has a little... This is what Krispy Kreme looks like.
Is it panorama?
No, it's a video. Wait, the ceiling is really cool. Donuts make the world go round. Man, it's like getting mad at me and I can't take pictures of her. Sorry, no one ever trained me.
Snakes.
Oh,
We'll buy
okay.
another one.
That's so funny.
Cute.
Open it.
I know. There's someone coming.
I don't see it.
I can't open it. It's
Gorgeous.
so squishy.
Wow.
You have to feel it.
That's disgusting. We're walking back right now. It's literally torrential rain. We named him Benjamin Button. And we literally just met as Norris.
Yep, what the heck?
Not even kidding.
Yeah.
In the flesh. It was so random. I don't even know. She's here for Tana Mojo, I think. And Papa was just there. And May got a picture then. We both got a picture. We're back. Do you think there's gonna be anyone there? Wow, that was super.
It's so hot.
We're at the bar at our hostel right now. We just got a drink and they just chugged the churros. I walked away to go back to them and I came back. It was gone. But I have vodka and sodas. She had a cocktail. And we're about to go to Tana. It's like, it starts in like 45 minutes, right? Half an hour. It starts in half an hour. Really excited. We got all dressed up and wearing my new Converses. Do you like the flowers? And yeah, Maya's wearing like emo. She's all black. I can't remember if we even recorded on the way, but we just cancelled it. It was so good. It was so funny. But Tana Mojo is like a coke addict. Well, former. That was Tina. But it was really good. But now we're just walking back. We're going to a bar. We are at a club. It's so loud. Go again.
My stomach hurts. Why is it squish?
Good night.
Night, guys.